Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly special, a car that blends pure American muscle heritage with the refined engineering of the modern era. This isn't just another performance coupe or another revival. This is the rebirth of a legend. Meet the 2026 Chevrolet Nova S 396, a name that carries weight, history, and heartbeats per minute. Chevy has finally brought the Nova back. And they've done it in a way that feels both nostalgic and entirely new. The moment you see it, you know this car means business. There's an unmistakable presence about it, a fusion of old-school muscle and modern precision. As it idles, the deep, resonant rumble of the V8 fills the air, sending a shiver of excitement through anyone within earshot. The Nova SS 396 looks like it's ready to pounce even when standing still. And when it moves, every line, every vent, every flicker of light off its sculpted body tells you this is not just a car. It's an attitude. Let's start with the design because, honestly, that's what hits you first. From the front, the 2026 Nova SS is pure intimidation. The wide stance is low and aggressive, the grille stretching across the front fascia like a grin of confidence. It's finished in a gloss black honeycomb pattern, framed by a thin chrome accent that pays homage to the original Nova's design cues from the late 60s. The SS badge sits proudly, offset slightly to the right, a nod to the old-school positioning. The LED headlights are sharp and futuristic, shaped like narrow eyes with sequential indicators that add drama to every blink. There are deep functional vents on the hood that serve more than just aesthetics. They channel air directly to the intake system, keeping that 396 breathing strong. And the front splitter? It's not just for show. It creates downforce at speed, keeping the Nova planted when you push it hard. From the side, the profile is stunning. Chevrolet has absolutely nailed the proportions. Long hood, short rear deck, and a sweeping roofline that flows effortlessly into the rear. The body lines are muscular but clean, avoiding unnecessary complexity. You can tell the designers wanted to preserve that timeless, confident shape the original Nova was known for. The sculpted flares over the rear wheels give it that powerful, grounded stance. The car rides on 20-inch forged aluminum wheels that fill out the arches perfectly, wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires for maximum grip. A discreet SS 396 badge on the front fender quietly hints at what lies beneath, while the side mirrors, aerodynamic, body-colored, and integrated with LED turn signals, blend seamlessly into the design. There's just the right amount of chrome around the windows to give a touch of class without feeling flashy dot as you move to the rear. The design becomes even more captivating. The taillights are a modern reinterpretation of the split units from the classic 1970 Nova, now with full LED technology that gives a 3D effect when illuminated. A subtle rear lip spoiler adds both style and functionality, improving aerodynamics without disturbing the car's clean lines. The quad exhaust tips, neatly integrated into the matte black rear diffuser, hint at the raw power waiting to be unleashed. When the engine revs, the sound is pure muscle, deep, throaty, and unapologetically loud in all the right ways. It's the kind of sound that makes bystanders turn their heads before they even see the car. Step inside, and the Nova SS 396 continues to impress. The interior feels like a perfect meeting point between nostalgia and innovation. It's driver-focused, immersive, and filled with premium materials. The moment you sit down, you notice the low seating position, the snug side bolsters, and the mix of leather and Alcantara that wraps around you. The seats have S logos stitched into the headrests, with contrast red stitching that matches subtle accents throughout the cabin. The steering wheel is a flat-bottom design wrapped in perforated leather, with tactile aluminum paddle shifters that deliver a satisfying click with every pull dot. In front of the driver sits a fully digital 12.3-inch instrument cluster that can transform depending on the mode you select: classic, sport, or track in classic mode. It replicates the analog dials from the old Nova with a vintage look. Switch to sport or track and it morphs into a sleek, futuristic layout with live performance metrics like G-force, oil temperature, and torque output. The center console is dominated by a 12.9-inch infotainment display running Chevrolet's latest MyLink OS, seamlessly integrated into the dashboard. The system is fast, intuitive, and supports wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The voice assistant works well, and there's even a customizable performance page that displays real-time data for those who love numbers. Chevrolet has also included some physical controls beneath the touchscreen, metallic toggle switches for drive modes, traction control, and exhaust settings, giving the cabin a tactile, mechanical feel. The interior lighting is subtle and adaptive, changing color based on driving mode, calm blue in comfort, fiery red in sport, and crisp white in track. The sound system is a 12-speaker Bose performance setup that offers stunning clarity, but truth be told, the real music comes from that V8 under the hood. Speaking of which, let's talk about performance. Underneath the hood sits a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V8, the spiritual successor to the original 396. It delivers 515 horsepower and 495 pound-feet of torque. The power goes to the rear wheels through an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission that can shift faster than you can blink. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in about 3.7 seconds, and it pulls all the way through the gears with a ferocity that feels raw yet refined. There's no turbo lag, no artificial sound enhancement, just pure, mechanical muscle doing what it does best. The chassis has been engineered for balance and responsiveness. Thanks to Chevrolet's latest magnetic ride control system, the Nova SS adapts instantly to road conditions. In comfort mode, it's surprisingly compliant, absorbing bumps and imperfections with ease. Switch it to sport or track, and it tightens up, the steering sharpens, and the car feels like it shrinks around you. The electronic limited slip differential keeps the rear end composed during aggressive cornering. And the Brembo braking system, 6-piston calipers up front, 4-piston in the rear, ensures confidence-inspiring stopping power with minimal fade on the open road. The Nova SS feels alive. The steering is precise and communicative, offering real feedback, something you don't get in many modern performance cars. The throttle response is immediate, and the engine sings through the rev range, each upshift accompanied by a satisfying bark from the exhaust. Yet, despite all that power, the car can also be surprisingly civilized. On a long highway drive, the cabin remains quiet, and thanks to cylinder deactivation, it can even run on 4 cylinders when cruising, giving you a respectable 22 miles per gallon. It's still a muscle car, but one that understands the modern world. When it comes to pricing, Chevrolet has hit a sweet spot. The 2026 Nova S 396 starts around $58,000, with higher trims and performance packages bringing it closer to $68,000 fully loaded. Considering what you're getting, the power, the technology, the heritage, it's a compelling proposition. It competes directly with the Mustang GT and the Challenger Scat Pack. But the Nova offers something they don't, a sense of rebirth. A story that connects generations. If there's any critique, it might be the absence of a manual transmission. As of now, Chevrolet is offering the Nova SS exclusively with the dual-clutch automatic. While it's incredibly quick and efficient, purists would love to see a manual option. And rumor has it that a limited heritage edition with a 6-speed might be in the works. The car also carries some weight, just under 4,000 pounds, but thanks to its chassis tuning, you hardly feel it in motion. The more time you spend with the 2026 Nova SS 396, the more it grows on you. It's not just about numbers or specs, it's about emotion. It's about that feeling when you press the start button, hear the V8 rumble to life, and realize you're sitting in something that connects the past to the present. This car doesn't try to copy its ancestors. It honors them while forging its own identity. It's a modern muscle car that remembers where it came from, but isn't afraid to evolve as the day fades and the Nova cruises into the golden hour. The exhaust note echoing against the hills, you can't help but smile. Chevrolet didn't just bring back the Nova. They brought back a feeling that's been missing in today's automotive world: authenticity. This is a car built for those who still believe driving should be an experience, not just transportation. So, if you're looking for a performance car that blends classic soul with modern precision, the 2026 Chevrolet Nova SS 396 deserves a serious look. It's powerful, beautiful, and full of character. Whether you're a longtime muscle car enthusiast or someone who just loves the thrill of driving, this one is bound to leave an impression. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the new Nova SS 396, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews, and drop a comment below. Would you take this over a Mustang GT or a Challenger Scat Pack? And if you could bring back one classic nameplate from the past, which would it be? Until next time, drive safe, stay passionate, and keep your engines roaring.